Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 or 4 series, guys, it will be super helpful video to any of you guys trying to find your throttle body. Many of you ask me where the throttle body is located because you have a code or anything like that. Stay with us, that's what we'll be covering today. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, guys, we make more than 200 videos. And on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys, we make probably more than 300 videos. We take them completely apart, engines, everything, so we can show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, throttle body, everything like that will be shared in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. This is a 2013 BMW 3 Series that we'll demonstrate on, but as you know, the 3 and the 4 Series, guys, share the same platform, so practically almost everything is the same. This is the 2.0, okay, this is the 2.0 gasoline 4-cylinder engine, guys. And many of you ask me, okay, on that 2.0 engine, where is the throttle body? And I don't blame you guys, some of you may not know, but we will explain all that today. This is, guys, your engine, right? This is your air filter box right here. This is your air filter box, that's where the engine gets air. Now, this is a turbo charged engine, guys. You have a turbo and you can see that on this side, okay? You can kind of see the turbo a little bit, okay, down there. So that air goes from the intake, okay, from the intake it runs through the turbo compressor goes through the intercooler air comes right here, and so the air can get in the engine. Then if you follow your intake tube, guys, okay, right here, that device, guys, it's known as throttle body. This is the one that opens and closes the flap that regulates how much air it's getting in the engine, guys. You have the idle motors, throttle body, everything's integrated there. That's very important part of the car, guys. Without that thing, your car will not run. So this is, guys, the throttle body. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Now, if you guys need to remove and replace it, okay, this is the location video. If you need a replacement video, we'll have it, guys, on our YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. This is our main channel, guys. Most of the mechanical stuff will be there, and electrical stuff will be on our third channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. So please check it out as well, guys. Quite helpful information on those BMWs will be shared. So this is the throttle body, guys. Now, if you guys need to know anything else, location, replacement of certain components, just let us know, because we read the comment section and we often see people asking us, okay, to make sure that this is a throttle body. Most of you probably will know that, but just, guys, to verify for any of you that are just starting to fix your car for free on your own, so you need to know where all the components are. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.